Hey, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, dear content creators. Wherever you are watching me today, this is AY YouTube channel. Do you know you can perform your keyword research for your YouTube channel or your mobile phone? If you don't, I bet you this video will guide you through the step by step and how to do it. Before that, I will be right back.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.
Welcome back to AY YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are just joining, you will be able to receive my latest video that I upload every week, every day. So, let's dive into the matter. A lot of people do not know that they can perform their keyword research for their YouTube channel, or they can do YouTube SEO on their mobile phone. There are a lot of performed keyword research for your YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you
the top most widely used YouTube SEO keyword research tool for your YouTube channel,
and that will make you rank. The first on the list that I will be talking about on this video today is FeedIQ. What about FeedIQ? Have you heard about them? Have you heard about this? FeedIQ, one of the best YouTube SEO tools that you can use to rank your YouTube channel and get yourself among the list of top search on the YouTube. On this video, I will be taking you through how to use FeedIQ on your mobile phone without stress. So, the first thing we are going to do, if you just want to use it on your mobile phone, it's either you go to the Chrome like this, I am now, and type FeedIQ. The first thing you see the ad, just come down now and click it. This is the home page of FeedIQ. It's a popular keyword SEO research tool for YouTube channel. So it enables you to get your YouTube channel rank higher and give you an idea on how to rank your channel, give you the keyword that very low in competition so that you can create your content on, and show you the metric of other competitors you are sharing the data with. So FeedIQ is a perfect choice for you if you are just coming into the world of content creation. So what we do now is we are in the home page of FeedIQ. This is on the Chrome. How about using it on your mobile phone? Minimize and Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for FeedIQ. Wow, I've already installed FeedIQ on my phone because I use it for my channel as well. So click on it. It's loading. Now this is FeedIQ for my channel, AY YouTube. So how do you now perform your keyword research for your YouTube channel? If you are just installing FeedIQ, when you download it, it will ask you to collect your YouTube channel. So by so doing, it will ask for your email that you use to register or to create your YouTube channel account, and through this, you will collect with your email ID. Then it will have permission to your content, to your how you can rank everything. This is FeedIQ. So the first thing we need to do for you to perform your YouTube keyword research SEO for your YouTube channel, what you need to do is come here, and for instance, like YouTube SEO. As you can see, after typing YouTube SEO, it pops up. So the volume is 69, competition is very low. That means you can create your content on YouTube SEO, or you come here for related search as regarding the YouTube SEO. Remember, these particular tools are free and as well as premium version. So if you want to upgrade to see a lot of list of keywords that you can use or you can write for your YouTube channel, you can perform task related keywords like YouTube SEO tutorial, YouTube SEO tips, YouTube SEO tutorial for beginner. Now we want to search for YouTube SEO for mobile fashion. So here is YouTube SEO for mobile fashion. Volume 41, competition very low. Top channel for this search term: Suman TV Telugu, Technical Yogi, SEO 18 RIP. It has 1.6 subscribers, 1.3 subscribers, 1.5 subscribers. So this particular YouTube SEO tool allows you to see the top competitors of your channel. So you can see YouTube SEO, how to run YouTube video, YouTube SEO tutorial, or let's say you do how to create, like how to do keyword research for YouTube mobile phone. In mobile phone is one. The competition is low. The top list has 1.3 subscribers, Dark Fibers AU, and the second one has Mr. Fiyas, 121 subscribers, and the third one has App Masters, 28.3k subscribers. So you can see this is keyword research, how to keyword research for YouTube in mobile. So YouTube keyword research, YouTube SEO, and all that. And that is the first on the list. The second on the list is TubeBuddy. You want to use TubeBuddy for you on how to do your keyword research on mobile. So this is mobile app of TubeBuddy mobile for YouTube SEO. So you need to sign in. It's loading. This is taking time. Let's go to Chrome and search for TubeBuddy. Yeah, this is it. Go to their website. This is home page of TubeBuddy. So in order to install TubeBuddy for your YouTube SEO, install it on their mobile. It cannot be installed. The extension cannot be installed on mobile Chrome fashion. So how do you use TubeBuddy SEO for your YouTube channel? I'm going to do another video tutorial on how to install TubeBuddy on your mobile phone, and the app we are going to use, I will drop that video in the next coming.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's based a bit.